Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Xiaomi Redmi 12C, and let me share with you how to check the serial number of this device. So we've got actually two different ways to check the number. We can do it by using a secret code or by using the settings. And I'd like to share with you first of all the code. So let's open the dialer, and the code for the serial number is *##06#. And as you can see in the device information section which just popped out, we've got the serial number at the very bottom. Let's tap on OK, and let me remind you the code. It is *##06#. Alright, so now we can go to the settings. So this is the second way to check this number. Let's open the settings, tap on the About Phone, which is at the very top. Now we have to tap on All Specs. Let's scroll down and tap on the status. And right here in the device details, we have to find the model. And as you can see right here, we've got the serial number of it. So basically that's all. This is how to check the serial number in your Xiaomi Redmi 12C. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.